Good morning, students. So, the one of the topic in fractions is representation of following figures in fraction form. That means one figure is given. So, what is the value of that particular figure? So, just consider this one as a cake. So, this cake is equally cutted into 5 parts. Okay now, for example, take a cake and this cake is equally cutted into 5 parts. In 5 parts I have taken, for example, 2 parts I have taken. So what is the fraction value of this figure is total the cake is cutted into how many parts? 5 parts. In 5 parts, the cross line represents your taken parts. Okay now, the cross line represents your taken parts. In total 5 parts, you have taken 2 parts. The fraction value of this figure is 2 by 5. Okay, well, for example, you have taken 3 parts. Out of 5 parts, you have taken 3 parts. The fraction value of this figure is 3 by 5. Okay, out of 5 parts, you have taken 4 parts. The fraction value of this figure is 4 by 5, like that. And another example, for example, take an apple. So this apple is equally cut into 4 parts. This apple is equally cut into how many parts? 4 parts. For example, you have taken one part or one piece. So the fraction value of this figure is 1 by 4. For example, you have taken 2 parts. The fraction value of this figure is 2 by 4. Like that. And here see. So here also this one is cut into how many parts? 4 parts. In 4 parts, for example, you have taken the cross line indicates your taken parts. Okay. In total 4 parts you have taken 3 parts. That means the fraction value of this figure is 3 by 4. And see, already I have discussed about the mixed fractions. Mixed fractions means combination of whole and proper fraction. So choose. This one is a cake, this one also cake. So the cross line indicates your taken parts. In the first figure, total cake you have taken. That means total 4 parts you have taken. That means total whole cake you have taken. So in second figure, only one part of cake is taken. So in second figure, the cake is divided into how many parts? 4 parts. In 4 parts, how many parts you have taken? 1 part. So the value of the fraction value of this figure is 1 by 4. 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means it is a which fraction? Mixed fraction. So this is the representation of following fractions, following figures in fraction form. ఏదైనా ఒక ఫిగర్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దాన్ని ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఫామ్లో రిప్రజెంట్ చేయమంటే ఇలా. ఓకేనా? సో once again see this one. So the total cake here, the first cake is the first figure. That means the total cake is treated as 1 unit. That's why here I have the cross line indicates the taken parts. That means the in first figure the total cake is taken. That's why whole cake is taken. That's why I have taken 1. But in second figure, I have taken only one part. Out of 4 parts, I have taken one part. This figure fraction form is 1 by 4. This figure fraction form is 1. So total 1, 1 by 4. 1, 1 by 4 is which fraction? Mixed fraction. Thank you.